Welcome to our exploration of the sustainable digitalization lifecycle. In today's fast-paced digital world, technology is everywhere, but it comes with environmental costs. The concept of sustainability is about meeting our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. As we rely more on digital solutions, it's crucial to consider how we can make these advancements eco-friendly. This video will guide you through the life cycle of digitalization, focusing on how each stage can be made more sustainable. Let's begin by understanding why sustainability matters in the digital age. Digitalization refers to the integration of digital technologies into everyday life and business processes. It transforms how we communicate, work, and solve problems. From smartphones to cloud computing, digitalization has revolutionized nearly every industry. However, this transformation also increases energy consumption and electronic waste. Understanding digitalization is the first step toward making it more sustainable. In the next scenes, we'll break down the life cycle of digital products and services, highlighting opportunities for greener choices. Life cycle of digitalization covers several key stages: design, production, usage, and end of life. Each stage presents unique challenges and opportunities for sustainability. By examining the entire life cycle, we can identify where the biggest environmental impacts occur and how to address them. This holistic approach ensures that sustainability is not an afterthought but a core part of digital innovation. Let's dive into each stage, starting with the design phase. Sustainable design is the foundation of a green digital life cycle. It involves creating products and services that minimize resource use and environmental impact from the very beginning. This means choosing eco-friendly materials, designing for energy efficiency, and planning for easy repair or recycling. By prioritizing sustainability at the design stage, companies can reduce waste and extend the lifespan of their products. Next, we'll look at how these principles are applied during production. Production is where raw materials are transformed into digital devices and infrastructure. Sustainable production focuses on reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and using renewable resources. Factories can adopt cleaner technologies, recycle water, and manage emissions to lower their environmental footprint. By making production processes greener, companies not only help the planet but often save costs in the long run. Now let's move on to the usage phase and see how users can contribute to sustainability. Once digital products are in use, their energy consumption becomes a major concern. Sustainable usage means optimizing devices and systems to use less power, such as enabling energy-saving modes and using cloud services efficiently. Users can also contribute by turning off devices when not in use and choosing energy-efficient models. These small actions, multiplied across millions of users, can significantly reduce the environmental impact of digitalization. Next, we'll discuss the importance of responsible maintenance. Maintaining digital devices properly extends their lifespan and reduces the need for frequent replacements. Regular updates, cleaning, and repairs keep devices running efficiently. Sustainable maintenance also involves using certified repair services and genuine parts to avoid unnecessary waste. By taking care of our technology, we not only save money but also help conserve resources. In the following scene, we'll explore the end-of-life stage and how to handle obsolete devices sustainably. Digital devices reach the end of their useful life. Proper disposal is crucial. Sustainable end-of-life management includes recycling, refurbishing, or safely disposing of electronic waste. Many components can be recovered and reused, reducing the need for new raw materials. Companies and consumers alike should seek out certified e-waste recycling programs. Next, we'll look at the role of circular economy in digital sustainability. Circular economy is a model that aims to keep products, materials, and resources in use for as long as possible. In digitalization, this means designing devices that can be easily repaired, upgraded, or recycled. By closing the loop, we reduce waste and make better use of existing resources. The circular economy not only benefits the environment, but also creates new business opportunities. Let's see how companies are implementing these ideas in practice. Sustainable digitalization lifecycle depends on green supply chains. This involves sourcing materials responsibly, reducing transportation emissions, and ensuring fair labor practices. Companies can work with suppliers who share their commitment to sustainability, use local resources when possible, and optimize logistics to minimize environmental impact. Green supply chains are essential for building trust with consumers and achieving long-term sustainability goals. Next, we'll discuss the importance of renewable energy in digitalization. Digital infrastructure, such as data centers and networks, consumes vast amounts of energy. Integrating renewable energy sources like solar and wind can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of digitalization. Many tech companies are investing in green power for their operations. By choosing renewable energy, we support a cleaner, more sustainable digital future. In the next scene, we'll explore how digital solutions can help monitor and reduce energy use. Digital technologies can be used to monitor, control, and optimize energy consumption. Smart meters, IoT devices, and AI-driven analytics help identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements. These tools empower businesses and individuals to make informed decisions about energy use, leading to lower costs and reduced environmental impact. As we continue, let's look at how digitalization supports sustainable business models. Sustainable digitalization encourages new business models that prioritize long-term value over short-term gains. Examples include product-as-a-service, sharing platforms, and subscription-based services. These models reduce resource consumption and promote reuse. By shifting from ownership to access, companies can lower their environmental impact while meeting customer needs. Next, we'll discuss the role of digital platforms in promoting sustainability. Digital platforms connect people, businesses, and resources in new ways. They can facilitate sharing, recycling, and collaboration, making it easier to adopt sustainable practices. For example, platforms for secondhand electronics or car sharing reduce waste and emissions. By leveraging technology, we can create communities focused on sustainability. In the next scene, we'll see how data plays a key role in driving green decisions. Data is a powerful tool for sustainability. By collecting and analyzing information about energy use, emissions, and resource consumption, organizations can identify areas for improvement. Data-driven insights enable smarter decisions, from optimizing supply chains to reducing waste. As digitalization advances, the ability to measure and manage environmental impact becomes even more important. Next, we'll explore the role of artificial intelligence in sustainable digitalization. Artificial intelligence, AI, can help make digitalization more sustainable by optimizing processes and predicting outcomes. AI can analyze large datasets to find patterns, suggest energy-saving measures, and automate resource management. For example, AI-powered systems can adjust building temperatures or schedule maintenance to reduce energy use. As we move forward, let's consider the importance of user awareness in achieving sustainability goals. Educating users about sustainable digital practices is essential. Awareness campaigns, training, and clear information help people make greener choices, such as recycling devices or using energy-saving settings. When users understand the impact of their actions, they are more likely to support sustainability initiatives. In the next scene, we'll discuss the role of policy and regulation in promoting sustainable digitalization. Governments and regulatory bodies play a crucial role in shaping sustainable digitalization. Policies can set standards for energy efficiency, e-waste management, and responsible sourcing. Regulations encourage companies to adopt greener practices and hold them accountable for their environmental impact. Effective policy frameworks create a level playing field and drive innovation and sustainability. Next, we'll look at industry standards and certification. Industry standards and certifications provide benchmarks for sustainable digitalization. Certifications like Energy Star or EPE help consumers identify eco-friendly products. Adhering to standards ensures that companies meet minimum requirements for energy use, emissions, and recyclability. These frameworks promote transparency and trust, making it easier for consumers to make informed choices. Let's now explore the role of innovation in driving sustainability. Innovation is at the heart of sustainable digitalization. New technologies, materials, and business models can dramatically reduce environmental impact. For example, biodegradable components, modular designs, and advanced recycling methods are making digital products greener. Continuous innovation ensures that sustainability keeps pace with technological progress. In the next scene, we'll look at partnerships and collaboration for greater impact. No single organization can achieve sustainable digitalization alone. Partnerships between businesses, governments, NGOs, and communities are essential for sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices. Collaborative efforts can drive large-scale change, from developing green technologies to creating circular supply chains. By working together, we can accelerate progress toward a more sustainable digital future. Next, we'll discuss the importance of transparency and reporting. Transparency is key to building trust and measuring progress in sustainable digitalization. Companies should report on their environmental performance, including energy use, emissions, and waste. Public reporting encourages accountability and helps stakeholders track improvements over time. Transparent practices also inspire others to adopt similar approaches. In the next scene, we'll look at the role of consumer demand in driving sustainability. Consumers are increasingly seeking sustainable digital products and services. Their preferences influence companies to adopt greener practices, from eco-friendly packaging to energy-efficient devices. By choosing sustainable options, consumers send a powerful message to the market. This demand drives innovation and encourages more companies to prioritize sustainability. Next, we'll discuss the challenges and barriers to sustainable digitalization. Despite the benefits, there are significant challenges to achieving sustainable digitalization. These include high upfront costs, lack of awareness, and technological limitations. Some regions may face infrastructure or regulatory hurdles. Overcoming these barriers requires investment, education, and collaboration across sectors. By addressing these challenges, we can unlock the full potential of sustainable digitalization. Next, we'll explore the role of research and development. Research and development, R&D, drive progress in sustainable digitalization. Investment in R&D leads to new materials, energy-saving technologies, and innovative business models. Collaboration between academia, industry, and government accelerates the development of green solutions. By prioritizing R&D, we can overcome technical barriers and create a more sustainable digital future. Next, let's look at the global perspective on digital sustainability. Sustainable digitalization is a global challenge that requires international cooperation. Different countries face unique environmental, economic, and social contexts. Sharing knowledge and best practices across borders helps accelerate progress. International agreements and standards can harmonize efforts and set ambitious goals. As we continue, let's examine the role of digitalization in achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, provide a framework for global sustainability. Digitalization can support many of these goals, from clean energy to responsible consumption. By aligning digital strategies with the SDGs, organizations can maximize their positive impact. This alignment also helps attract investment and build partnerships. Next, we'll discuss the importance of measuring progress towards sustainability targets. Tracking progress is essential for achieving sustainable digitalization. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as energy use, emissions, and recycling rates help organizations monitor their impact. Regular measurement enables continuous improvement and accountability. Transparent reporting also builds trust with stakeholders. Let's now look at the role of leadership in driving sustainability initiatives. Strong leadership is vital for embedding sustainability into digitalization strategies. Leaders set the vision, allocate resources, and inspire teams to pursue green goals. By championing sustainability, leaders can drive cultural change within organizations and influence industry standards. Effective leadership ensures that sustainability remains a priority, even as technology evolves. Next, we'll explore the importance of employee engagement. Employees play a crucial role in achieving sustainable digitalization. Engaged staff are more likely to adopt green practices, suggest improvements, and support sustainability initiatives. Training, incentives, and clear communication help foster a culture of sustainability. When everyone is involved, organizations can achieve greater impact. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of diversity and inclusion in sustainability efforts. Diversity and inclusion are essential for driving innovation and sustainability. Diverse teams bring different perspectives, ideas, and solutions to the table. Inclusive workplaces encourage participation and creativity, leading to better outcomes. By valuing diversity, organizations can develop more effective and equitable sustainability strategies. Next, we'll look at the role of digital literacy in supporting sustainable digitalization. Digital literacy empowers people to use technology responsibly and sustainably. Education programs that teach digital skills and environmental awareness help users make informed choices. Digital literacy also supports innovation and adaptation to new technologies. By investing in digital education, we can build a more sustainable and inclusive digital society. Next, we'll discuss the impact of remote work on sustainability. Remote work has become more common, especially since the pandemic. It can reduce commuting, lower office energy use, and decrease emissions. However, it also increases reliance on digital infrastructure and devices. Balancing the benefits and challenges of remote work is key to sustainable digitalization. Organizations can support remote employees with energy-efficient tools and promote responsible digital practices. Next, we'll explore the role of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers flexibility and efficiency, but it also requires large data centers that consume significant energy. Sustainable cloud solutions use renewable energy, optimize server utilization, and implement cooling innovations. By choosing green cloud providers, organizations can reduce their digital carbon footprint. In the next scene, we'll discuss the environmental impact of mobile devices. Mobile devices are essential to modern life, but they contribute to electronic waste. Sustainable digitalization encourages longer device lifespans, repairability, and responsible recycling. Manufacturers can design phones for easy upgrades and recycling, while users can choose certified recycling programs. Reducing e-waste is a shared responsibility. Next, we'll look at the environmental impact of software. Efficient software can help reduce energy consumption and extend device lifespans. Developers can optimize code, minimize background processes, and design lightweight applications. Sustainable software also considers user privacy and data security. By focusing on efficiency, developers contribute to a greener digital ecosystem. Next, we'll discuss the importance of cybersecurity in sustainable digitalization. Cybersecurity is vital for protecting digital infrastructure and data. Secure systems prevent data breaches, downtime, and resource waste. Sustainable cybersecurity practices include regular updates, strong authentication, and responsible data management. By safeguarding digital assets, organizations support the resilience and sustainability of their operations. Next, we'll explore the role of open-source technology. Open-source technology promotes collaboration and transparency. It allows developers worldwide to contribute to sustainable solutions, share best practices, and improve software efficiency. Open-source projects often prioritize resource optimization and community-driven innovation. By supporting open source, organizations can accelerate the adoption of sustainable digital practices. Next, we'll discuss the importance of accessibility in digitalization. Sustainable digitalization must be accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. Designing inclusive products and services ensures that all users can benefit from digital advancements. Accessibility features such as screen readers and adjustable interfaces make technology more usable for everyone. Inclusive design also supports social sustainability by reducing digital divides. Next, we'll look at the impact of digitalization on society. Digitalization affects society in many ways, from improving access to information to changing how we work and interact. Sustainable digitalization aims to maximize positive impacts such as education and healthcare, while minimizing negative effects like inequality or job displacement. By considering social, economic, and environmental factors, we can create a more balanced digital future. Next, we'll discuss the importance of continuous improvement. Sustainability is an ongoing journey, not a one-time achievement. Continuous improvement involves regularly assessing and updating digital practices to reflect new knowledge and technologies. Feedback from stakeholders, performance data, and industry trends all inform this process. By embracing a mindset of constant learning, organizations can stay ahead in sustainability. Next, we'll look at the role of innovation ecosystem. Innovation ecosystems bring together startups, corporations, researchers, and investors to develop sustainable digital solutions. These networks foster collaboration, accelerate technology adoption, and support entrepreneurship. By participating in innovation ecosystems, organizations can access new ideas and scale sustainable practices more quickly. Next, we'll discuss the importance of resilience in digital systems. Resilience ensures that digital systems can withstand disruptions, such as cyber attacks or natural disasters. Sustainable digitalization includes building robust infrastructure, backup systems, and disaster recovery plans. Resilient systems protect data, maintain services, and support long-term sustainability. By planning for the unexpected, organizations can safeguard their digital assets and the environment. Next, we'll look at the future of sustainable digitalization. The future of sustainable digitalization is bright, with new technologies and business models emerging every day. Advances in AI, renewable energy, and circular economy practices will continue to shape the digital landscape. By staying committed to sustainability, organizations can lead the way toward a greener, more equitable future. In our final scene, we'll summarize the key takeaways from the Sustainable Digitalization Lifecycle. We've covered the entire Sustainable Digitalization Lifecycle, from design and production to usage and end of life. Each stage offers opportunities to reduce environmental impact and promote sustainability. By embracing eco-friendly practices, leveraging innovation, and working together, we can build a digital future that benefits both people and the planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards sustainable digitalization. Let's continue to make responsible choices and inspire others to do the same.